there's several different ways of fastening. You talked about nail fit install. We also talk about fastening through the jamb. I'm a through jamb guy. I like to fasten my windows through the jamb. There's also installation brackets and some areas that you might need to use structural brackets. Again, local code, the types of installation that you're going to do. Again, surface barrier systems, they don't have any nail fin, so you can't really use those 2-inch galvanized roofing nails and nail fin. You have to go through jamb or installation brackets on that. So depending on what type of install, that's the way you're going to handle your fastening. But we call out in the installation instructions on the nail fin, a 2-inch galvanized roofing nail every other hole. Again, if your local code says every hole, that's what you're going to do because that's the most stringent rule. This is based off of head size and penetration. So if you use less than a 2-inch galvanized roofing nail, then you need to go to every hole and apply a fastener. But if you want to get away from that, every other hole, 2-inch galvanized roofing nail is what we recommend. Then once you have that plumb level square true and you have all your fasteners in place, then you're going to start finishing off your flashing material.